Good morning, class. So today we are going to continue our Chapter 14 review. So today we're doing Chapter 14 review part 2, and we're going to finish pages 944 and then complete 945. Okay, so numbers 15 through 24 today. All right, so number 15 says, draw an angle with a measure greater than a quarter turn. So if you look back to the previous lesson, so I have my cheat sheet here. This is from lesson 4 of chapter 14. It shows you the different types of angles and the different types of turns. Okay, so remember that a circle has 360 degrees, and if you split it 4 ways, okay, so if you were to divide 360 by 4, what would you get? Okay, take a moment to think about that. Okay, so you would get, okay, so 4 times 9 is 36, right? And then 0. Okay, so you would get 90, right? So that's why every quarter turn in a circle, okay, so imagine if you were to split this into fourths, 1, 2, 3, 4, 90, 90, 90, 90, you would get 360. Okay, so that's why a quarter turn is equal to 90 degrees. Okay, so then you would draw a 90-degree angle. Okay, so that means from here to here, that's a quarter turn. This would make be 90 degrees. Okay, all right. So number 16, it says classify the angle as right, acute, or obtuse. Okay, so if you've forgotten, you can look back to this sheet. Okay, this is page 894. Number 17, classify the triangle as acute, right, or obtuse. And let me show you where you can find that information. This is a lesson on triangles, lesson 8, chapter 14. And you can find it on page 920, where it explains, oh, there it is, where it explains the different types of triangles. Okay, so you can pause the video if you need to look at this. All right, and then let me see, number 18, it says, write the type of quadrilateral that best describes the shape at the right. So these two lines are parallel. Okay, so that is the hint, and you can find your key concept for quadrilaterals from lesson 9, page 926. So you can pause the video if you need to take a look at this chart. All right, and let me see. Number 19 and 20, you're not going to submit to me. So all the ones that tell you to draw, you're not going to submit on Google Forms. So remember, lines of symmetry is when you can cut it so that the other half, or fold it so that the other half disappears. Okay? And some figures may have more than one line of symmetry. All right, let's do some problem solving. Number 21. It says Brent started his homework at 4:00 p.m. He completed it at the time shown. Write how far the minute hand has turned in degrees and as a fraction of a full turn. Okay? Number 22. Sam draws a quadrilateral. It has one pair of parallel sides. What figure did Sam draw? So again, you can pause the video and look at this chart. Number 23, Sergio saw an angle that measures greater than 0 degrees and less than 90 degrees. What type of angle did he see? Okay, so is it an acute, a right angle, or an obtuse angle? And then number 24, Levi's school is at the corner of High Street and 2nd Avenue. The corner forms a right angle. How might he describe the way the streets meet at his school? So let me go ahead and draw this out for you. So this is 2nd Avenue, 2nd Ave, and this is High Street, okay? And this is where his school is at, okay? So what kind of lines are these? Okay, are these parallel lines? Are they intersecting but not perpendicular? The streets never meet, or the streets are perpendicular. And it says it forms a right angle, so I'm going to draw a right angle here. Okay, so what kind of lines? All right, good luck.